The US has signaled that it is unlikely to limit access to abortion pills. This came as anti- and pro-abortion protesters in the US took to the streets once again on Tuesday. The demonstrators rallied outside the country's top court while justices weighed the availability of abortion pills, including mifepristone. The hearing was the most consequential since the country overturned Roe v. Wade nearly 2 years ago. It places abortion rights back on the Supreme Court's agenda ahead of the presidential elections. While the abortion supporters outnumbered the ones against it, the two sides sparred over the health risks of abortion pills.
That's a human rights issue. I feel like no one should be forced to go through anything that can essentially hurt them or even kill them. I feel like every woman should have the right to determine what happens to her body. If I'm lucky enough to have a daughter one day, I want that same right for her. I want that same right for any females in my family.
I just hope that they would realize just how much these pills are, how dangerous they are. These chemical abortion pills are 10 times more dangerous than a surgical abortion. And we just want to make sure, even those on the other side, just understand how dangerous they are, not just for the preborn children, but for these women as well.
Meanwhile, arguing in court, rival advocates spoke about their abortion experiences. The court said that the anti-abortion groups and doctors protesting the pill's availability did not have the required legal backing to do so. The court also heard the arguments of the Biden administration over the control on prescription and distribution of the drug. The country's Food and Drug Administration approved the use of these drugs back in 2000. Recently, the FDA said that abortion should be allowed for up to 10 weeks instead of just 7. It has also insisted that the drug to be mailed to women before seeing a clinician in person.